Thank you. Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. John is here with me. He's my husband, and we are going to Target and Barnes & Noble to do a little book shopping. In my last vlog, which if you haven't seen, I will insert a card so you can check it out. I finished The Summer I Turned Pretty, and it was really good, but now I have to read book 2, and I thought might as well pick up book 3. So we're gonna go book shopping. I'll bring you guys along with me, and then I'll let you guys know if I pick up anything. And I'm just so excited, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button, and let's head over to Barnes & Noble. Okay, we are back home, and I got a little bit of a book haul from Barnes and Target, and I'm so excited. I only went to Target to get the second Summer I Turned Pretty, and it is called It's Not Summer Without You. I'm going to do a mini little haul and share with you guys what the books are about, but I'm so excited. I recently found out all about BookTube, and if you guys haven't checked this out, definitely type it in. I'm sure you guys have heard of it, but basically there's like a whole community of people on YouTube who read and review books and share it on YouTube, and I love reading, and I still want to create fashion content and everything, but I'm like, this looks like so much fun. If you guys enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and let me know if you guys have heard of BookTube, or if you like this idea. Let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, I got this book. In my last vlog, I read the first one, and it was called The Summer I Turned Pretty. There's a whole Netflix series about it, but basically this is the sequel to it, and she is going back to Cousins, the beach house, for the next summer. And of course, I flew through the first one, and I figured I would read this one really quickly. I did get the final one, and it will always have a summer, and I'm gonna be really honest, I've seen season 1 and 2, which is based off of book 1 and 2, and I've always been a team Conrad girly, but after reading the first one, I'm like, I don't know what team I'm on, so I'm curious if these will change my opinion. But watching the show, I was team Conrad, so I'm so excited. And this one is like the tale of which boy she ends up with, so I'm like, I gotta fly through this one to get to here. So this is the reason I went to Target. But then I also picked up this book, and it is called The Fine Print, and at Target I feel like the books are so much cheaper than Barnes & Noble, but I like going to Barnes & Noble because they have such a big selection. And this is like a billionaire romance, and I'm so excited. So basically, Rowan is the business leader, and his grandfather passes away, and the only way to get his percentage of his grandfather's company is to follow his last wish, which is going to one of the theme parks that he created. Renovates the whole park and everything, and he meets this girl who works there, and I'm not really sure how to pronounce her name. I'm gonna say it's Zara, Z-A-H-R-A. I'm not really 100% sure, but she works there, and she doesn't realize that he's the boss when she first meets him, and shares her real feelings about the company and everything. And then somehow it's like a cute meet, I guess. I don't know. I'm so excited to read this. I'll have to give a full review, but these are the 3 books I got from Target. And then I went a little crazy and got 2 more from Barnes & Noble, and I've heard nothing but good things about these, so of course I'm curious if I'm gonna like them. And it is Twisted Love and the Things We Never Got Over. So Twisted Love is book 1 of a series, and it is like a romance book. I haven't really read anything about or watched any reviews on YouTube. From what I'm gathering, something happened to the main character. Her brother's childhood friend starts to take care of her. I'm not really sure, but it says her brother's best friend, her neighbor, her savior was her downfall, so I'm sure it's a good juicy romance. And then I also got The Things We Never Got Over. I was watching a booktuber, Destiny Sidwell, and she read the 3rd one that just came out, and I was like so curious about it because she was talking about how this is one of her favorite books. So I got it. it is a huge book. I want to say 530 pages, but I'm such a fast reader, so I'm so excited. But it says Knox Morgan doesn't tolerate drama, especially in the form of a stranded runaway bride. So that is like the big catchy title, and I'm just so excited to read this. So if you guys want to see like a reading vlog, let me know, because I'm so excited to get into a little bit of booktube. But this is the book haul. If you guys have any books that you think I would like based on these books, let me know. And if you guys want to see a reading vlog, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because I really want to get working on it. I think I want to do the 200 pages a day where like I'll read, but I don't want to share any spoilers. That way you guys can read the books as well. So I'm staying excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this book shopping vlog and haul, and I'll see you guys back here very soon with another new YouTube video. Bye guys!